Hey, it's Oliver here from Everpeak Partners, and today I am going to walk through part of the maintenance exam, or really kind of the maintenance do-it-yourself hands-on component of the Spring 2021 update. And there is a really awesome new feature in Salesforce called Dynamic Forms. And dynamic forms allow you to show fields based off of other field values. So if a field has a certain field value, it may show 3 additional fields. If you change that field, those 3 fields may go away. And so in here, what we're going to be doing, and I've never actually done this before, but I've worked with dynamic forms before with some clients I'm familiar. We'll see if I can do this live. Is we have a laptop warranty custom object. We want to upgrade it to a record detail. I used Keith Jones as an example with the information in the details tab selected. We want to make it 1 column. We want to move the active warranty field above the support field. We want to add a condition so that the support level field and the expiration date field only appear when the active warranty is checked. This is kind of the key on that dynamic form element. And then activate on the phone and kind of test if that's been done. So right here, this is our record. This is our lightning record for the warranty. Oh, here it is. This is the lightning record. In fact, I will back up so we can go right from the beginning. So we have Keith Jones open. This is on the laptop warranty custom object. So if we really want to back up, you just open up your custom object here, view all records, go into Keith Jones, and then from here we will go into the edit page. This is the Lightning page editor. And then from here, what they want us to do is they want us to upgrade this guy here. So we'll upgrade it. You can see here it says configure. If you upgrade, you can do the dynamic forms. These dynamic forms are awesome. So we are going to get this in place. We're going to do it on our existing page layout. And now from here, they want us to do it as a 1 column. So we'll click into this middle section here and we'll pop this guy over to a 1 column. And you can see this actually replaces the old Salesforce Classic page editor that I know that a lot of us are very familiar with. This has been around for years and years and years. So what we're going to do here next is we are going to move the active warranty field above the support level field. So active warranty, grab it, drag and drop, and we're going to drop it where you can see the green line indicates where it will be dropped to. So we're dropping it above the support level field. Then next up after that, we're going to put a condition in where the support level field and expiration date only appear when the active warranty field is checked. So support level field, we go in here, we're going to set a filter for the visibility, and then we are going to do active warranty equals true, and now we have our filter in there. And then we've got another field, so add the condition to the expiration date. So if that is checked, we have it on the expiration date as well. So add filter, and it's funny because that's the first field, but you could change it. Active warranty is true. True is just another word for the checkbox is checked. So we will save that guy, activate, assign our default org. We'll just put it on desktop and mobile. Save that. And then you'll see if we come out of here, we'll have that condition so that the support level and expiration only show when the active warranty field is checked. So if I check the checkbox here for active warranty, you see how those two fields pop up. The nice thing about the dynamic forms is that it is instant. When you change a field, it just instantly shows these new fields and you can fill them out. And this is because the support level and the expiration date are only relevant if you see, or if we have an active warranty. If there's no active warranty for this example, then the support level and expiration date are irrelevant and are just wasting screen real estate and burdening your eyes for your Salesforce users who have to look at this page over and over and sort of navigate through fields that don't apply to their situation. So really, really awesome feature here that is going to make a ton of people's lives easier, because we can set all these dynamic conditions and you can have as many fields as you want, have as many dependent fields based off of it, and it's not like the old school version where it would just gray it out but it would still be on the page layout. They will disappear off the page layout. And fun fact, on my other monitor, I actually just passed it. I was doing this live, and this is the second component of the do-it-yourself section on the maintenance exam, but it also shows you an example of getting these dynamic fields in place. So I personally think that this is a really, really awesome feature. It was overdue. It makes Salesforce much more user-friendly. I think they should have had this a long time ago. It's 2021, but we now have the dynamic form ability in Salesforce. And if you follow the steps I went through earlier, you can do this on your own. If you would like help, you have questions, you want to talk strategy, brainstorm ideas, I've been doing this for more than 8 years, and I would be happy to have a free consultation and offer you some advice or help or support free of charge. If you are interested in that, you can email me. My email address is oliver@everpeakpartners.com. So I hope this helped, and good luck with your Salesforce journey.